I'm Sky Crystal. I'm culturally confused and creatively liberated, and today I'm doing a Grow Tropicals unboxing, and I'm super excited for this one because there's like two wish list plants. One wish list plant that I didn't know I wanted until I saw it, and then another one that I've been wanting for ages. So let's get into it, shall we? So I've ordered from Grow Tropicals multiple times and I highly recommend them. They are amazing. They are super fast and they've got an incredible selection of rare and unusual plants. The packaging is wonderful. Ooh. Oh. Check you out. Milo, stop. Oh my word. So this is Monstera adansonii. I keep calling it oolong tea, but it's not an oolong tea. It's Janda Belong. And I love it because it's an adansonii and a monstera, and it's like a baby version of an escalito. So if you have like limited space, you can definitely, sorry about the crackling of the paper, my dog's chewing through the paper now. What was I saying? I don't remember what I was saying, I'm overwhelmed. This is amazing. I'm so excited about this plant. It's beautiful and in incredible condition. So, I'll put you here. Get this one out. So this has been on my wish list for a really long time, and I was going to get it from a different shop, but then I found this at bargain deal, $72.99, and I got 10% off as well because I found a code online. And it's a Monstera adansonii aurea variegated aurea. Oh my goodness, it's got 2 growth points. Look at that leaf. I am in love. Let's look at that. Look at those fenestrations. She a chunky boy. She a chunky boy? Yeah, we'll go with that. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. Okay, it's falling over, so I'm going to repot that today. And then look at that. I love it. I'm in love. I am absolutely in love. Thank you, Grow Tropicals, for having an incredible selection of plants that I'm obsessed with. I will be shopping there again and again and again. I highly recommend them, as I said before. So if you're interested in rare and unusual plants, definitely check out their collection and selection of plants. They have new ones in all the time, and then really good price ranges. This one was $39.99 and I got 10% off the whole order. So yeah, I'm really happy about this. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!